Hi, I'm here today. I'm going to show you how to make marshmallow fluff at home instead of buying it. And if you have kids that like peanut butter and fluff sandwiches, this is what you want to make. I'm going to be using a Hamilton Beach hand mixer, number 62648. This is new for me. I never had this one before. It comes with two silicone coated beaters, and it comes with a wire whisk, and we're going to be using the whisk today. I found out that the whisk fits in the big hole. It's the one, if you're holding it in your left hand or your right hand, it's the hole on the left. It's the bigger hole, and you just snap that in there. In my bowl, I have 6 egg whites, and room temperature preferably because they whip quicker. And we're going to whip them up. Let's see how they go. This has a power boost, and button in the back here, you just push it, and we're going to whip these until they make a nice soft peak. You can hear the power. That's just regular on the 6. It has 6 power settings, and that's just regular 6. This is the power boost. And I figured if this can make meringue, it's a pretty good mixer. Here's the egg whites are changing. It changes the viscosity of them. Changes the sound of it as they get thicker. And what I did is I have 2½ cups of white corn syrup, also known as Karo. That's not high fructose corn syrup, so don't panic. It's just corn syrup. Read up on it on the internet, the difference between high fructose corn syrup and Karo. It's on the Karo site. It gives you information on it. Okay, and what I did with those 6 egg whites, you can either do it on top of the stove and put it on a medium-low heat, and you want to bring the Karo to a boil. I did mine in the microwave. I kept setting it for a minute at a time. I started on a number 4 power, and I did that about 3 times. And then I finally put it on a minute 2 different times at full power. My microwave is 1,000 watts. So here we are. We're 3 minutes into this video. My egg whites are whipping. Here, I'll show you what they're doing. Okay, see them in there? They're not whipped up yet. They need to be stiff. Now this is an old recipe that my mom had, and she would use this on cakes. Use it to stuff lady locks. If you like lady locks, clothespin cookies, whatever you call them in your area, we call them lady locks, and that's the puff pastry. They're wrapped around a pan and they're baked, and then you pull them off, and they look like a lock of hair, like a long spiral curl. And my mom always liked to use marshmallow cream in hers. Oh wow, this is beating nice. Almost 4 minutes. A little bit of that was talking before I started to whip it up. So probably 2½ minutes. For 6 egg whites, that's pretty quick. That's pretty powerful motor. This is 275 watts on boost. Okay. And you know, if you need to have egg whites, you don't have to go get your eggs and do it. You can use pasteurized egg whites you can find in a carton in the store. They're in a dairy case near the eggs. Or you can have left. You have to separate eggs and you use just the egg yolks. I make key lime pie, use just the egg yolks. I save the whites. I put them in a container and freeze them. 2 egg whites is equal to 1/4 cup. Okay, we're going to show you this now. It's whipped. These are stiff egg whites. Look at that. See them? Okay, so those are stiff. I almost want to put some vanilla in this because you need a little bit of flavor. And this is Baker's imitation vanilla flavored. And actually, it's made by McCormick's if you look at the bottom of the label down there. And I bought this at Walmart. I paid $1 a bottle for it. Read a review, and this is like the best imitation vanilla that you can buy. And I guess because it's made by McCormick's. So I'm going to put just about a teaspoon in there. Okay, I'm going to whip that up. Okay, so it's incorporated in there real good. Okay. And then we're going to get our Karo. And gradually put it in there. I got a feeling this bowl's not going to be big enough. I hope it is. I need a whisk, not a whisk, I need a spatula to mix this down. I'm here, didn't leave ya. Got my trusty spatula, and we are going to move this to a bigger bowl because I got a feeling this is going to whip up and go everywhere, and I don't want to clean up, so it's easier to do this. Stop midstream. Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. Put on that boost on high. Look at that. Look at my bowl spinning. Not even on a mixer stand. It's just spinning. Now when you make this marshmallow fluff, it can keep on your shelf as long as it's in a cool, dry place. You can keep it for a couple weeks on the shelf and do not need to refrigerate it. And I still have Karo to use. There we go. I hope this isn't a dud. This is my maiden voyage on this Hamilton Beach mixer. It's a nice weight. I know I keep changing hands, but that's okay. And you'll actually feel this bowl start to cool off whenever it's ready. I hope I don't run out of time on this YouTube video. You only get so much time to post it. It's starting to thicken up. And it will as it cools because this bowl is still hot from that hot Karo. Okay, I'm going to pause this and keep beating, and when it's done, I will come back to you. But as you can see, if I don't splash this everywhere, you see how it's thickening up?